We honor the spirit of each and every girl who came up here today to give her dream a shot. Now begins the real training with our expert groomers.
अभी मैं अपना फर्स्ट सेशन चालू करने वाली हूँ फॉर FEB फेमिना मिस इंडिया दिल्ली 2016।
उन्होंने मुझे सिखाया कि हमको कैसे पोज करना चाहिए और हमें कैसे टर्न लेना है, हमें कैसे मिड रैम्प पे पोज देना है।
उन्होंने पर्सनली एक को वॉक करा के करेक्शंस भी किए। ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग था और हमने आज बहुत कुछ सीखा।
They managed to understand each and every minute details that I was giving, and I was very happy. At the end of the class, everybody got what I wanted them to get.
Welcome ladies, we are here for a little bit of a fit session. If you're wearing the right innerwear, of course you will have and display the right confidence as well.
जैसे उन्होंने बताया कि 10 में से 7-8 गर्ल्स होते हैं जिनको अपने साइजेस के बारे में नहीं पता होता।
So essentially whenever you wear lingerie, the base has to fit against your rib cage because the minute it rises, then you know that it's not the right size for you.
हमें क्या पहनना है, कब पहनना है, जिससे कि हमने जो ड्रेस पहन रखी है उसके अकॉर्डिंग कॉन्फिडेंस हमारे फेस पे आ सके।
Rule number 1, try before you buy. Rule number 2, get yourself fitted. Rule number 3, occasion, outfit, matching of lingerie. 3 essential rules, okay?
Good luck girls, all
Good
the
luck.
very best to each one of you.
जहाँ एक तरफ our girls are going through grooming and personality development, वहीं दूसरी तरफ there's an opportunity for them to showcase their inner traits and talents through a series of sub-contests. So come on girls.
We are here for the Olivia Bleach Miss Glowing Skin sub-contest.
And it's important that our winner does maintain her skin and always keeps it glowing and healthy.
They asked us to put our hair back so that we can have that clear look on our face, and they asked us about our daily routine, how we take care of our skin.
I make it a point to wash my face with cold water in the morning.
I take care of my skin by working out a lot. I make a homemade scrub with oats, besan and haldi and a little oil.
I also use coffee, not just directly on the face but diluted it with water.
Girls really know how to take care of their skin. Also the fact that they have been taking care of their skin for an extended period of time shows on their skin.
Absolutely. So we're going to now sit through all the collations and finalize the result, which will be announced on the day of the finale.
हमारा नेक्स्ट सब कॉन्टेस्ट है वो है कारा मिस वाइवेशियस।
The parameters are choosing a contestant who is witty, vivacious, full of life, spirited.
What's the most romantic experience that you've ever had?
With which boyfriend? I mean,
What? Excuse me?
judges were free with us. They were like कि जो आंसर देना है दो, be fun, be spontaneous, be witty.
What happens if after the pageant Akshata proposes you?
I really like Akshata because she's so pretty and she likes me.
Generally when we work with them, they present their best foot forward. After this round, I feel like I actually know the girls really well right now.
आपको क्या लगता है कौन ये pageant जीत के जाएगा?
Priyadarshini.
One is Aditi and the other is Priya.
Priyadarshini.
Yeah, of course I felt very overwhelmed and flattered and really nice when they took my name and thought that I am capable enough of being a competitor.
I think the one who had the best sense of humor finally won.
So अभी हमारा एलोवेदा मिस EQ ब्यूटी कॉन्टेस्ट होने वाला है।
We are here to judge the next sub-contest, the Alaveda Miss EQ Beauty.
Girls, you will be judged on the ecological quotient, presence of mind, content, sensitivity and knowledge of environment.
मैं थोड़ी बहुत नर्वस हूँ क्योंकि मेरी जनरल नॉलेज इतनी अच्छी नहीं है। So let's see.
What are the healthy habits which you would keep to maintain natural true beauty?
I do meditation a lot.
I think drinking a lot of water is very important.
For my teeth, I use baking soda.
Baking soda?
Yeah, and also for my pimples.
So the judges were trying to see हमें environment और nature के बारे में कितना पता है।
Do you believe in testing on animals?
No. I think technology needs to come to a level where things can be tested without harming one. I think that would be the best solution to this.
Sensitivity to environmental issues is very important. We as a brand stand for that, and you will see a lot of our products delivering that promise.
आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि हम सब इतना तैयार क्यों हो रहे हैं, तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि हम अपने नेक्स्ट सब कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए तैयार हो रहे हैं, जो है FB Miss Fashion Icon. Can we have a first contestant, please?
Basically, my whole outfit is a mix of modern and vintage style.
So if it is Indian, why didn't you choose an ethnic dress?
It has to be modern and Indian both. So I wore an outfit which has a modern as well as an Indian approach to it.
मेरा ब्लैक स्कर्ट ये बॉडी फिट है, प्लस ये क्रॉप टॉप है और साथ मैंने बड़े डायमंड इयररिंग्स लिए हैं ताकि इसको थोड़ा ग्लैमर दे सके।
ये एजी है, बोल्ड है और आजकल की मॉडर्न वुमेन्स को दर्शाती है।
Guys, thank you very much. Good effort. And now you can go and relax and wait for the next sub contest. Thank you.
हमारा नेक्स्ट सब कॉन्टेस्ट है द लीला एम्बियंस दिल्ली मिस कंजीनियलिटी
And we are looking for the girl that is most congenial. That will be decided by you.
Make sure that the girl should not write your own name.
हमारा को कंटेस्टेंट जो सबसे ज़्यादा फ्रेंडली है, पॉजिटिव है, जिसके आते ही एक पॉजिटिव वाइब आ जाती है, ये उसके लिए।
Well, it was a wonderful experience. All the girls looked very pretty, but all of them cannot be given the prize. So, may the best one win.
हमारा सब कॉन्टेस्ट स्टार्ट होने जा रहा है जो कि है रूपरल रियलिटी मिस लाइफस्टाइल।
You will be given a questionnaire. All you have to do is tick the answer that you think is correct, and the girl with the highest number of correct answers wins the title of Ruparel Realty Miss Lifestyle.
This is basically MCQ type of question based on fashion and lifestyle.
Easy था, मैंने 4th नंबर पे किया। पहली वाली 3 लड़कियों के आंसर अगर थोड़े ऊपर नीचे गलत हुए तो शायद मेरा चांस है।
Girls, your time is up, and the results for Ruparel Realty Miss Lifestyle will be announced at the finale. It's true when they say that FPB Femina Miss India 2016 is going to be a girl with beauty and brains. So here we are trying to find who our next Ruparel Realty Miss Sudoku is going to be.
मैंने पर्सनली सुडोकू कभी खेला नहीं है। I've heard a lot about it though.
With numbers I'm very bad, so मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है कि अब कॉन्टेस्ट में क्या होगा। जैसे कि मैं लड़कियों को देख रही हूँ काफ़ी बिजी हैं और मैंने कुछ बहुत जल्दी कर लिया तो no idea कि कैसा गया है।
So the girl who solves the puzzle in the shortest amount of time will be our Ruparel Realty Miss Sudoku, and the result will be announced at the finale.
After coming to this pageant, another cool thing that I've come across is the Mobstar app. Mobstar app एक ऐसी talent scouting app है जिसमें different लोग अपने different talent upload कर सकते हैं, be it singing, dancing. And the experts who are scouting for new talent through this Mobstar app can find that talent that they are looking for. And ये app बहुत अच्छी है. Please download it. It's great and amazing.
हम लोग वेदिका मिस एक्वा मेडन सब कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए यहाँ पे हैं। वी आर 15 कंटेस्टेंट्स, तो हम लोगों ने 3 ग्रुप्स में अपने आप को डिवाइड किया। आउट ऑफ ईच ग्रुप द बेस्ट वाज सिलेक्टेड और हम तीनों के बीच में इट वाज द फिनाले विच हैपेंड।
कैसे से मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा बूस्टअप किया अपने आप को और मैं जीत गई।
बहुत ठंडा पानी था और बहुत ठंड लग रही है अभी भी, लेकिन बहुत अच्छा टाइम हुआ।
Hello everybody, we are here in Delhi for another round of Triumph Miss Perfect Body.
I feel like I have one of the best body here, so I'm very much confident and comfortable in my body.
This one happens to be the toughest round for the girls because it's not just the confidence on stage, but also a lot of hard work and persistence that goes off the stage when it comes to training your body.
What is important is how your proportions fit together and how you present yourself. This is where decisions are being taken. How well you've prepared yourself is absolutely your job. And we've taken decisions today and we've chosen a winner.
Hi, today we are going to judge Prayag Miss Photogenic.
We are looking at the girl who actually transforms in front of the camera. And if the picture speaks 1,000 words, as they say, we want to judge Miss Photogenic based on that.
All the pictures were very good. The girls were looking quite attractive in their photographs. Finally, we came down with the 2 girls, Akshata and Priyadarshini. After a lot of discussion and debate, we ended with 1 girl, and you will come to know about the winner on finale.
आप सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं ऐसे क्यों तैयार हो रही हूँ, तो उसके लिए आपको आगे देखना पड़ेगा।
अभी हमारा FBB मिस टैलेंटेड राउंड है।
Contestant number 13.
कोई डांसिंग कर रहा है, कोई सिंगिंग, कोई मिमिक्री, एंड आई हैव ऑप्ट फॉर एक्टिंग.
तुम्हें मुझे थैंक यू बोलना चाहिए.
After a days of hard work, it's so enthusiastic, full of energy. Hats off to those girls.
This round was thoroughly entertaining. We had a very good time, right, Madan?
I wish all the girls all the very best for the pageant.
With so much going on right now, our girls are going in a tizzy at FBB Femina Miss India Delhi 2016. So before the madness catches on to me, I'm going to take a short break, but I'll be right here with lots more to show you, so stay tuned.